Question for the immediate context is, we are all focusing on how FIs are coming in, they are selling, sometimes they come back and invest, but the most important engine or the most important pillar for our markets have been domestic mutual fund investors. Do you think mutual fund investors will get shaken by this? Do you see any redemption happening there? Because that's going to be a very important cushioning against any selling that's coming from FIIs.
So Murli, if you take Nifty, since Friday, we are down 2%. Year to date, we are up 1%. Funds, even after yesterday's massacre of between 5 to 8% of NAV, maybe some funds fell 10%. We are still 5, 6, 7, 8, 10% up year to date. So I think if you are an investor who's satisfied with, mid-teen kind of returns, even this year has been great year, So I don't see any reason why this 2-3% move is going to shake off the market. I think what might shake off the market, unfortunately, if it happens, which I don't think it's a probability, is the markets fall another 10-15% from here. But that is not what we believe in. I don't think we are looking at that kind of a scenario. I think maximum 2-3% from here, unless there is no NDA government, which again, as I said, is like a 12 sigma event, not a 6 sigma event. So I don't think that is going to happen. Maybe temporarily it might slow down a little bit, but investors are mature, investors are smart, investors have reaped the benefits of keeping on investing in every adversity. And this is going to be no different. And if you actually see last 5-6 years, this 2-3% move has happened 20 times. In fact, in COVID, we had a 30% drawdown. In Russia-Ukraine thing, we had almost a 15% drawdown. When Credit Suisse event happened early last year, we had almost a 15% drawdown. And this 3, 4, 5% drawdowns keep on happening, including this March, when mid and small cap fell in a month like 10-12%. So, investors are used to this volatility, and they have realized that it doesn't make sense to do anything drastic on this 2-3% fall.
Right. So your message to the retail investors would be what? Don't panic, continue to invest, add more, increase your SIP.
What I would suggest, you all should flash and show the investors that from Friday to today, we are down only 2%.
Yeah.
I think that point is being missed because of what happened on one Monday when the markets went crazily high. I think yesterday's fall, you should remove Monday and Tuesday from your charts and then see, 22,500 was the closing on Nifty as of Friday. Today we are 22,000. So what, 500 points happen at any sneeze here and there,
Yeah, that's a great point, Sunil.
But you also showcase that, I think a lot of scare is being created.
Yeah, no, so to Neeraj's credit, that's the first thing he said when markets opened. But no, point taken, absolutely.